Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I already cut my steak up, y'all. I'm cooking some hash, and I'm just doing it with some steak. I already seasoned it. You season it with what you want to season it with. So yeah, and I'm gonna add my potatoes, and it's gonna be like a little stew. Hash is just any meat you want with some potatoes. I usually do bell pepper and onion, but I ain't got none. So I'm just doing me a little quick little Sunday dinner, and it's gonna be very quick. So let me show y'all how I do it. I already seasoned it. Hold on. So we're gonna get some oil in our skillet. This all the way hot. Let me get that around there. Enough to cover the bottom. And I'm gonna add my meat in. And we're gonna fry it. And I'll show y'all how. I'm gonna add just a little more oil. A lot of oil will coat the bottom of the pan. So I have my meat all seasoned. I'm gonna grab some and I'm gonna put it over here. It's on high, so I probably should have cut it down. I'm just gonna throw it in that grease. All of it. Alright, so we got all that in there. Now, we're just gonna cook this. We're just gonna cook this. And just cook it until it's brown all the way up. I'm gonna add a little more grease over here because I want it to fry. I know that's a lot of grease, but I'm gonna drain all that off. We're just gonna let it fry. So we'll let it fry for about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm gonna stir it, constantly stir it, you know. And yeah. Once it get done, I'm gonna add my potatoes and we're gonna stew it down until almost like a hash. Yeah, just some potatoes, medium potatoes. No veggies today. No other vegetables, no green vegetables. Because I ain't went to the store yet. But yeah. That is it, y'all. That's all we doing. Simple little Sunday dinner. Cook it all the way down. And I'll be back once it brown up, y'all. It's going to be a quick video. Alright. We almost done. Letting it fry some more, y'all. Letting it fry all the way down. We still got some pink in it. And let it fry all the way down. And I'm going to drain all this off. Because I don't want it. Drain it all off. All that blood and juice. And, yeah. And then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to re-season it when I put it with my potatoes. So, yeah. I'm just going to let it cook down, though. Get all the pink out. And then we're going to drain it. Add our potatoes. Simmer it. Okay, y'all. So I drained all that stuff off. All the juices and stuff. I drained it off. And I added a little fresh oil in the bottom. And I'm just letting it fry up a little bit. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on it. Just a little bit. So it can get a little thick when I put my potatoes in. I ain't seen one of them in so long.
Put it on top of the dough whenever you can.
Yeah, it's good look. Okay. Thank you, baby. Look, my baby shoulder, y'all. He's sleeping. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna have to. Hold on, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. So this is how this is looking. Now, I'm gonna leave this in the skillet. I'm just gonna add my potatoes on the top, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all what my baby found. He got from work. I ain't seen this in so long, y'all. Look. A $2 bill. It's been a long time since I seen that. Ain't that something? Yep. Alright, so anyway. Alright, let me wash my hands, y'all, and put my potatoes in here, and I'll be right back. But just look at how brown that is. That's how the consistency I wanted to the brown on. I'll be right back. Get them in here, y'all. They had turned a little brown because I took them out the water. But y'all know potatoes get brown. It's all good. A little brown ain't gonna hurt nobody. And I'm gonna season the top of my potatoes too. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water in the bottom. Just a little. And I think I'm gonna put I'm not gonna use flour this time. I'm gonna use a little potato mix that I got just to thicken it up. I don't want to put no flour in it. Yeah. I had turned it down. That's why y'all hear the flames going, the fire going down. This is my electric kettle. Y'all know I love my electric kettle. Know your girl loves the electric kettle. Oh, we just gonna get this going. I'm gonna let these fry up a little bit in that little bit of grease we got down there. I'm gonna add a little more seasoning to it. This is a quick little hash, y'all, because I just have to taste the song. You can use any meat you choose. I just wanted some steak in mine. Yeah. Alright, so let me season the top of these potatoes, and I'm going to cover it up, y'all, and let it go for just a minute. And I'll show y'all what it's looking like when I come back. Alrighty, y'all, so I seasoned my potatoes. You know, I season the top. I put a little more oil down in the bottom. And I'm just going to cover it and let it fry. We're going to let it fry. Steam, so to say. Yep, season that. Yeah, I'm going to cut it on low. And I'm going to let all this come together until like this hash. Y'all will see what I mean when I'm done. I may not even add the potato mix, but let's just get this cooked down. I'm going to cover it up, y'all, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. I wish I had some onion and bell pepper. Lord have mercy. I ain't got none, though. I got plenty of onion powder in there, though. So, and garlic powder, so it should be good. Alright, so I'll be back, y'all. I'm going to cover this up, and I'll be back in about 15-20 minutes. Alright. Okay, y'all, so I did add just a tiny bit of water in the bottom. That's all I'm adding, though. Just a little bit. It wasn't even a half a cup, y'all. Just a little bit of water. So it can just, you know, cook down. It's going to kind of stew up a little bit. But, yeah, we still got 15-20 minutes on this. So, let's cover it for 15 minutes at least. And I'll be back to see what it's looking like in 15 minutes. Alright. Alright, y'all. So, I stirred it up just a little bit. It's been almost 20 minutes. And I had wanted to get a little color on the bottom of it like that, you see? A little crisp on there. But now, I feel like I need to add some corn. So I'm gonna add... y'all, excuse my son on the game. So, I never do this, but I'm just gonna add 1 can of corn. I just had a taste for some corn on there. I don't know why. I just think that's gonna be good. So, we're gonna let that cook down, let that corn get a little heated up. I'm gonna cover it back up. Wine fine. Give it 10 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready. It's gonna be different, you know. Yeah, be back. Alright, y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. I've been had it on high, so I like to get my potatoes kind of crispy on the bottom. If you know how like corned beef hash and how you do that type of hash, you know, get them potatoes crispy on the bottom. Not burn them, you know, just make them a little crispy. So my meat is so tender, y'all. It's so good. That corn gonna be good in there. Yes, honey. So that is it, y'all. it is really ready. I'm gonna cover back up for about another 10 minutes, and I'm gonna turn the heat off of it, and I'm gonna let it crisp on up, and it's done. And I'll show y'all what it looked like when I come back in 10 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit here 10 minutes without the heat on it, and just let it finish crisping on the bottom. So yeah, I'll be back 10 minutes, y'all. Show y'all what it looked like. All right, y'all. So it's still crisping a little bit on the bottom. I'm not gonna move it. I'm just gonna let it sit like that. It's off. The heat is off now, so I'm just gonna let it sit there and crisp up a little bit. Yeah, that is it, y'all. It is done. Easy, quick, 1-pot meal. You know, 1 skillet, whatever, and it's done. That's it. Yes, that is it, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all try this with your family. I usually do like bell pepper and onion. And oh yeah, this is one of the first meals my granny and my mama taught me how to cook. So this was the first meal I learned how to cook. Something easy, quick, and simple. You know, get them good seasonings in there, and you got yourself a meal. But of course, with the onion and bell pepper. I just didn't have none on hand. My mama don't use bell peppers in hers. She just do onion. But I do onion and bell pepper and a little celery from time to time. But I haven't been to the store. So I got plenty of onion powder in there. Plenty of seasonings, as y'all can see. And you got to load up the black pepper in there. It just ain't gonna be good. Gotta get that black pepper in there. But yeah, this is it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching again. I love y'all. Thank you for my new people coming in. I really appreciate it. Yeah. Thank y'all so much. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.